how you can apply for Amazon GTIN exemptions if you do not have a Amazon UPC code and you do not want to buy. You can apply for Amazon GTIN exemptions in which you do not have to use UPC. I will go through the Amazon Sales Central step by step, and I will show you how you can apply for it. Before that, you need to have your product images with brand name available on it, and GTN exemption is available only for category. But for each category, you have to apply separately. If you have a product to sell in home and kitchen category, you have to apply for home and kitchen categories separately. If you have another product to sell in beauty category, you have to apply for beauty category separately for GTN exemption. So how you can apply for that? You need to log into your Amazon Seller Center account, and you need to the new interface. You need to come into the manage inventory page, or either you can go to the add product section here as well, and you can click on the add products. You need to follow the same process of listing the product as we regularly list the products. You need to same follow the blank form and start selecting the product. Okay, so here you need to enter your product name. In our case, my product, I will enter the name. Okay, and name needs to be less than 75 character. Okay, after that you need to confirm the product type. If it's exactly the same, you can confirm, otherwise you can select as well. And for that you need to select browse path. Make sure you first identify your product category before listing and applying for GTIN exemption, so you know which exact browse paths you need to choose. I know already I need to choose home and kitchen category for my product, and then cooking and dining, barware, and cigar accessories, and home meters. Okay, so after that it will take you to the next step, and you need to enter the brand name. So you must enter your brand name. This is brand name in our case. And you can see here this is red, and it's compulsory to add UPC product ID. You can add, if you have UPC, you can add ISIN, UPC, EN, GTIN. If you would like to buy, you can buy it from the GS1. If you don't want, if you can buy from the GS1 directly UPC code. If you are unable to get approval during GTIN exemptions, you can come here and buy from GS1. So, but in our case, I will select this product does not have a product ID because I don't want to use product ID. So, and then I will go to continue to description, and this will pop up an error, and this says you need brand authorization required and UPC exemption required. In our case, brand is already approved, but right now our exemption is not approved. That's why it's showing yes. So need to click on the apply to sale options, and here you need to enter your product title. I have the same, I can enter here, and then you need to enter the manufacturer name. You can enter the same as your brand name. You can enter the same as well. Product description, I will keep the same brand name as in the product description as well. You can have another thing as well. Okay, so these are the requirements that required. Front and back images of the product, both packaged and unpackaged if apparel, including images of the product unfold. This is for the apparel category. Document must meet following requirements. Pictures are taken by you, and items are handheld and placed on a table. Like you need to take a picture in a hand, and then take the images with your phone, and all from all sides, and then submit it to the Amazon That's what Amazon required to you. The branding of your brand name must be clearly visible on the product and packaging. Include images of the product ID unless you have are currently requesting a GTIN exemption. As you are requesting a for GTIN exemption, you don't need this. And if your images include product ID, it must match your intent product ID. If this is in case, this is not applies to you if you are applying for GTIN exemption. If requesting GTIN exemption, include images all sides of your product and packaging. Like your product and packaging, you have to take images from all 6 sides to show to the Amazon. And you also need to tick check mark these as well. And after that, you need to upload the images here. So in my case, I have these images. I will choose these. And maximum file size is 10 MB. Make sure your maximum MB file size does not go over 10 MB. Otherwise, it will not allow you to submit the application. So after that, you just need to click on submit and your application will get submit if your images are not more than 10 MB. So that's how you can apply for the Amazon GTIN exemption. Something you need to click on and it get will approve. Let me know if you have any question or facing any issue. You can see here the application has been submitted successfully. Let me know if you have any question in the comments. Thank you.